Hi guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every Thursday. Happy New Year, my dear friends. 2022 is officially here. This video is a very first sewing project of New Year. Then I wanna bring you guys a bright and lucky color for good fortune in the new year, because red is associated with good luck. And also sharing with you how to sew an organza blouse with tiered ruffle, long sleeve and garter neckline. Hope you like this video and give you an inspiration for New Year. Okay, let's get started. I'm using a kind of organza fabric in red, of course for good luck, with some floral on it. This fabric is really thin, sheer and flowy. Therefore, it's not easy to cut and sew. Like always, I don't want to make this video is too long, then I already made the pattern here. I developed the blouse idea from a normal shirt, and I'll divide it into 3 parts, consist of upper bodice, lower bodice and sleeve. They are just like this. Okay, let's cut fabric. Here are a front upper pieces and 2 pieces of upper part. I'm starting to stitching on top of each pieces. Then wrap the top thread and pull it to garter fabric. Firstly, I'm going to connect 2 pieces together by sewing and overlocking the raw fabric by my serger. Then, like the upper bodice, I'll stick on top of the sleeve and garter fabric at this part. Okay, now I'm gonna plait the upper bodice of front and back and sleeve and sew them together. Remember to overlock the edges of fabric. Next, I'm going to cover the open part of the upper part with the pilot tape. To make the first tiered ruffle, I'm going to measure around the end of this part. And fold fabric in half, lay it on the floor and draw a curve line with a half of that measurement, and add the seam allowance for both sides. Then, from the curl line, go down 15 cm and draw a second curl line. And cut off the fabric. Remember, add 1 cm for the seam allowance. Now, connect the both sides together and overlocking by massager. At the second curl line, I'm gonna fold fabric to the wrong side and sew it about 1 cm. Next, I'm going to cut the excess fabric right beside the stitching line. And keep going to fold it to the wrong side and stitching one more time. I got it like this, really nice and beautiful. Moving on to the lower part, I'm starting to connect both sides together and overlocking the raw fabric. Like the upper part, I'm going to measure around the end of this part and using the left fabric to cut the ruffle. It's actually same way. After hem the bottom of the ruffle, I'm gonna connect it to the end of the lower part and overlocking by massager. Now, it's time to connect the upper part, lower part and the first tiered ruffle together by sewing machine and overlocking the raw fabric by massager. Next, to cover the neckline, I'm using the pie attack. Click link over here to see how to making the pie attack if you don't know how to make it. I'm starting to fold the end of the pie attack to the wrong side and place the neckline of blouse between the pie attack, then stitching to keep it in place. For the sleeve, at the end, I go up 11 cm and unthread this part. Then, I also use the pie attack to cover the raw fabric of this opening part. Now I'm going to stitching on the end of the sleeve and cut the fabric of this part. Please adjust as you like. And also use the bar tape to cover the raw fabric. Lastly, I just stitched the invisible button to the back neckline and the end of the sleeve to finish. And here's the final result. I love to pair this lovely and flowy blouse with the white pant or white skirt because the combination between red and white are perfect for a touch of brightness. Hope you like my recommendation and see you next Saturday. Bye!